Pilexil is a dietary supplement known to be effective because it includes in its composition the active ingredients most needed in situations of hair loss. Pilexil capsules also contains vitamin B2, which contributes to the protection of cells against oxidative damage, and minerals such as iron and magnesium, which contribute to the process of cell division and normal protein synthesis. Indications: Pilexil capsules is recommended for both men and women in all situations in which there is excessive hair loss, such as imbalanced contributions of essential nutrients, heavy periods, weight loss diets, or inadequate habits, etc., for deficits or periods of physical and mental stress. How to use: having 1 or 2 capsules of Pilexil a day for a period of 2 to 3 months. To prevent hair loss, capsules Pilexil consuming especially in spring and fall, times when a greater tendency to hair loss occurs. As a complementary treatment may also be used Pilexil Lifeline, Pilexil shampoo, and blisters. Their combined action improves the results. Contraindications: Pilexil capsules is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Discontinue the use of Pilexil Forte capsules at least 3 months before the intended date of pregnancy. Pharmaceutical advice: just giving your body the anti-hair loss components is not enough. I recommend accompanying the treatment with an anti-hair loss shampoo and lotion. You can complement with a homemade hair loss treatment, preparing a mask with brewer's yeast.